Hello everyone, let us continue our course. Let me just sum up the content of what we learned in the last section. We've studied about the general introduction of this course, and after that we've learned about how we can install the essential software. What was the essential program? The first thing is the Python. Second is Cocos2d-JS bundle. And third is IDE to Visual Studio Code. Then, in this chapter, what we will learn? I would like to introduce the essential Cocos2d-JS command for our lecture. And I will show you how you can download the source code in my homepage www.creapple.com, creapple.com website. Are you ready now? Then let's start. Now we are ready to learn about the essential Cocos2d-JS command. In the last chapter, we've learned how we can install Cocos2d-JS and other essential software. Now we are ready to start to learn Cocos2d-JS command. There are some Cocos2d-JS command. Actually, Cocos2d-JS is the major objective is to make a cross-platform game programming. So there are some commands related to the deployment app on Android, iOS, and web as well. But in this course, I will just let you know the essential command, how we can generate Cocos2d-JS project, and how can we learn the game on the web. Because the major purpose of this course is not to learn about the game deployment. We just want to learn about the JavaScript. Then let's move to the first command, which is about the generation of project. This is the command syntax, how we can generate a new Cocos2d-JS project. Cocos new, game name, -p, package identifier, -l, language, -d, and location. Let me see item by item. The game name, we will use our game name like a mole or the brick breaker. -p is a package identifier. In these cases, we will use com.creapple.mole or com.creapple.brickbreaker as a unique identifier. -l to specify the language. As I mentioned before, that the Cocos2d provide three kinds of the language support. First thing is C++. This is a major language for Cocos2d X bundle. The second is JavaScript, which is the main of our course. Third is Luna. So definitely we will use JavaScript for this course. So -l and JS. Then we can specify the language as JavaScript. -d, we can specify the specific location, but if we can ignore this option if we try to generate a project on same places. Okay, now let's make a brick breaker game project. First, project name is brick breaker and package name, let's make it as a unique name com.creapple.brickbreaker. Of course, you can change it. And second, we will use JavaScript and we will generate the same place. Then we just say like this way, Cocos new brick breaker -p com.creapple.brickbreaker -l JS. That's all. Then let us run. Let's open the command window first. And let's move to proper location. I will move to the DB under project. And now we are ready to generate a new brick breaker game project. So let's type Cocos new brick breaker minus p com dot createpool dot brickbreaker minus l and js and enter. Then Python will generate new project name brickbreaker. Now we complete a new project. Now I just go over the basic structure of Cocos2d-JS project. Basically, I can divide it into three parts. First thing is the framework folder. Framework folder is for that the internal use. So there are some file to run this game project. And second is the RES, actually it's resource folder. We can put the graphic and sound and other resource related file put in the RES folder. And the main is the source. Source folder, we can put some source code to generate the game itself. Now let's explore the structure. As you see, there is a framework. The Cocos2d-JS generated many framework files to run this project. And on the RES folder, that there is an essential that the graphic file. And on the SRC source folder, now we have a two source file, app.js and resource.js. I will explain more detail while we are learning the game. Now we can just understand that this is the basic structure of the project. Now let's move to the second part of my talk, which is about getting sample code. As I mentioned that in order to get sample code of this course, we can visit the Createpool website. It's located at www.creappl.com. You can enjoy the other content as well. Now let's visit my website, Createpool website. The UI can be changed, but basically is that we have to register user ID and password in order to get the source code. Please visit and register your ID and password. Then after you log in my website, then you can move to the course menu, and then you can see JavaScript programming by game course, and you can click the resource button right upper side. Then click sample code and download. Then you can get sample code. Then after you download the zip file, you can extract it, and let's just refer the brickbreaker game structure. Then as I explained, there are RES folder and SRC folder. So you just can easily copy the RES and SRC file and other essential file to your project. But I recommend you to just refer the source code, and then you can type the code by yourself. Now, main topic is to run this project. Now we generate a new project, and we also get a source code, so you can make your own project. If you want to run this Cocos2d project, this is the basic syntax. Cocos run -s specify the path to your project, and -p platform. Platform means the Android, iOS, but we will use web. Then let's run our project. Simply a command with dot, it means that when we run at the same places. Specify to run in debug or release mode using the optional -m parameter. So you can ignore or you can specify. It's up to you. So let me just summarize that our command is the Cocos run dot -p web. We specify that our target to web, and -m release. You can ignore this one. And let's run. I'm not sure you remember that, but one of the useful tip for the Visual Studio is that we can turn on integrated terminal into the IDE Visual Studio Code. Of course, you can't open the command terminal separately, but for me it's very convenient. So we can run the command in Visual Studio Code. Let's just run Cocos run dot -p web -m release and run. Then Cocos2d framework generated run the game on web browser. We can deploy and generate this game on the same game on Android and iOS. You can refer this content in my book or other content. Actually, I would like to introduce how you can deploy the game, but I'd like just focusing on the main objective of this course. Still now, we've learned about the essential Cocos.js command, and also I explained how we can get sample code from my website, Creative website. We will learn programming from next lecture, but before that, please subscribe my channel if you still don't subscribe my channel, or introduce my YouTube channel to your friend. And please enjoy other useful content in my channel. Thank you very much.